What up, though? This your boy Carl Carlton II. Got the Ray-Ban Metas on up here at the park. Got my microphone here. I was gonna do a dual recording, but I'm gonna do it like this for now. Hey Meta, what am I looking at?
You are looking at a path that leads to a grassy area.
All right, so some things you can do with the Meta. I don't know if you can hear that. I'm gonna take this microphone off so y'all can hear. Hey Meta, what am I looking at?
You are looking at a path that leads to a grassy area with trees and a church in the background.
Hey Meta, what street am I on?
You are not on a street. You are on a path in a park.
Where am I at? And where location am I at?
You are in Detroit, Michigan.
What street am I on?
You are on Russell Street, Detroit, Michigan.
All right, as you can see I'm on Russell Street at the park. So those are things you can do with your Ray-Ban Metas. Ask where you at, what you're looking at. Hey Meta, look at this scenery and tell me the best way to take a picture.
To capture the beauty of this scenery, I would recommend taking a picture during the golden hour, when the sun is low in the sky, casting a warm glow over the landscape. This will enhance the colors of the church and the surrounding trees, making the image more vibrant and inviting. Additionally, consider using a wide-angle lens to capture the entirety of the church and the surrounding park, and experiment with different angles and compositions to add depth and interest to the image.
Hey Meta, look at this tree and tell me what kind of tree it is.
The tree in the image appears to be a London plant tree, Platanus X acerifolia.
Can you tell me more about that tree?
The London planet tree Platanus X acerifolia is a large deciduous tree known for its distinctive bark, which peels off in large patches to reveal a smooth, grayish-brown surface underneath. It is a hybrid of the Oriental planet tree, Platanus orientalis, and the American sycamore, Platanus occidentalis. London planet trees are often used as ornamental trees in urban landscapes due to their tolerance and ability to thrive in a variety of environments. They can grow up to 100 feet tall and live for hundreds of years.
As you see, this is in the ghetto, and it's doing pretty good.
To ask about what you see,
Hey Meta, be quiet and tell me what I'm looking at.
you are looking at a tree surrounded by large rocks in a grassy area.
What kind of tree is this?
The tree in the image appears to be a deciduous tree, possibly an apple tree, Malus domestica.
All right, thank you, Meta. There's also live AI that you can do on here. You can have a continuous conversation. Hey Meta, start live AI session.
Live AI session with video starting now.
All right, what am I looking at, Meta?
You are looking at a park, a trash can, and a recycling bin.
Can you read that for me?
The text on the side of the trash can says hot ash only.
See how accurate that is? Read this.
The text on the side of the trash can says
What am I looking at?
you are looking at a picnic shelter with benches and a few trash cans.
All right, so as you see, this is pretty accurate. What kind of car is this I'm looking at?
The car you're looking at is a white Nissan Rogue.
That's correct. What kind of windows are these?
The windows are tinted.
All right, so that's a demonstration of the Ray-Ban Meta live AI and some of the things that it can do. All right, this is your boy Carl Carlton II. I'm out.